how we grown up from baby to adult and from adult to senior citizen. How it's possible? By cell division? You are also thinking about same question, how we grown up from baby to a adult? And in next 60 minutes, you will be able to answer. Hello aspirants. In this video, I am going to cover the cell cycle. The cell cycle is divided into two phases. One is interphase and the second is M phase. The interphase is called resting phase. Lasts for 95%. The M phase is actual dividing phase. So, if the division occurs in mitosis phase, then why the interphase lasts for 95% of the time? Because cell is preparing for division. If we are going to cook something, then we have to prepare for pre-cooking things like chopping the vegetables and collect the utensils. In interphase, the mitosis is preparing for cell growth and DNA replication. Further, the interphase is divided into three phases: G1, S and G2. And G0 is also the phase of interphase. Now comes to M phase. There are two types of division: meiosis and mitosis. Don't be confused with mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is equational division and meiosis is reductional division. What's its mean? Reductional division and equational division. Example, if a cell contains 2n chromosome, then after replication, it contains the same amount of chromosome, that is 2n. No changes in the number of chromosome. It's called mitosis. And in meiosis, it is reductional division. Why it is reductional division? Because before the division, if cell contains 2n chromosome, then after division, it have n chromosome. So it's called reductional division. I hope now you can able to differentiate between meiosis and mitosis. Okay. Then mitosis further divided into four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And in meiosis, there are two phases: meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, there are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. And in meiosis 2, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. So what's the difference between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2? If the all phases are same? No, the all phases are not same in meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Because in meiosis 1, the prophase 1 is further divided into 5 phases, that are leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and dikinases. Now I am going to explain it through my notes, okay? Cell division is divided into M phase and interphase. The interphase is resting phase and M phase is actual division phase. In interphase, it is divided into G1, S, G2 and Z0. And in M phase, the mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And now come to meiosis. Meiosis is divided into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. And meiosis 1 is further divided into prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. But in meiosis 1, the prophase is the longest phase. It further divided into 5 phases. That's are leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and dikinases. And the meiosis 2 contains prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. So the mitosis and meiosis 2 is similar. So I hope you all are understanding. If you want a detailed explanation in this topic, then comment it. I will make it in next video. Till next video, bye bye.